Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Froth Pak 650 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful spray foam kits available on the market, designed to tackle a wide range of insulation and sealing projects with impressive efficiency and ease of use, making it an indispensable tool for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals looking for reliable and high-performance solutions for their construction and renovation needs. Number 5. Blackstone 36-inch 4-burner griddle. Unlock a world of culinary possibilities beyond traditional grilling. This versatile cooking surface is perfect for preparing a wide array of foods, from delicate vegetables to savory fried rice and delicious quesadillas. Experience ultimate cooking control with 4 independently operated stainless steel burners. Together, they deliver a powerful 60,000 BTUs of heat, allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously at precise temperatures. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the integrated front grease management system. It efficiently collects excess grease, ensuring a cleaner cooking experience and simplifying post-meal tidying. Designed for your convenience, its freestanding, wheeled construction makes it incredibly easy to move around your space. When not in use, it folds away neatly for simple storage. This all-in-one station comes complete with foldable legs, a dedicated grease pan, and a handy storage rack. Everything you need is included to get your grilling adventure started right away. What we like. This cooking station offers a large, versatile steel griddle perfect for a wide range of foods beyond traditional grilling. With 4 independently controlled burners, you can manage multiple dishes simultaneously, offering great flexibility. If you're looking for a way to expand your outdoor cooking repertoire and handle diverse meal preparations with ease, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Froth Pak 650 is a reliable and efficient spray foam insulation kit that provides excellent coverage and a strong seal. The design of the Froth Pak 650 allows for easy application and consistent foam dispensing, making it suitable for both professional and DIY use. The 650 system offers a fast-curing foam that expands quickly to fill gaps and cracks, effectively improving thermal performance and soundproofing. Number 4. Froth Pak 630 Spray Foam Insulation Kit. Introducing the Froth Pak 630, a powerful spray foam insulation kit designed for professional results. It's proudly manufactured in the USA, ensuring quality you can trust. This 2-component polyurethane foam system is Class A fire rated up to 2 inches thick. It provides excellent insulation and air sealing for your building envelope. Achieve impressive coverage, up to 630 square feet, with a high R value of 6.2 at 1 inch thickness. It offers superior thermal performance for energy efficiency. Create a cost-effective air barrier that blocks infiltration and helps meet building codes. Reduce your energy costs significantly with this effective solution. Experience a fast cure time of just 30 seconds, allowing for quick re-entry with proper ventilation. It forms a strong bond to various surfaces like wood and drywall. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including sealing gaps, cracks, and penetrations in roofs, walls, basements, and more. It's the versatile choice for your construction needs. What we like. This kit provides excellent coverage for insulating and air sealing, with a rapid cure time that allows for quick re-entry. Its strong bonding capabilities make it ideal for various building envelope applications. If you need a reliable and efficient solution for sealing gaps and improving energy efficiency in residential or commercial projects, this is the product for you. What people say. The Froth Pak 650 is a great product for quick and easy foam insulation. It is very user-friendly and the instructions are clear. The foam expands well and provides good coverage. Number 3. CenterFire SuperShear Spray Foam Insulation Saw Kit CK53-0027. Introducing the CenterFire SuperShear Insulation Saw. It's designed to make cutting through spray foam insulation quick and easy. This 11-amp corded tool features a 1/18-inch stroke. You can cut at a slower RPM for reduced vibration while maintaining excellent speed. It's a must-have tool for hard-working professionals. The included closed-cell blade ensures precision for various insulation types. Whether you're working with open or closed-cell spray foam, this saw handles it all with ease. Crafted in the USA, this insulation cutting tool combines power, precision, and durability for your professional needs. What we like. This specialized saw is designed to efficiently cut through both open and closed cell spray foam insulation. Its design minimizes vibration while maintaining excellent cutting speed, making it a professional's choice. If you're a contractor or DIYer frequently working with spray foam insulation and need a tool that offers precision and ease of use, this is an essential addition to your toolkit. What people say. The Froth Pak 650 is a great product that works well and is easy to use. The design of the Froth Pak 650 is very user-friendly, making it simple to operate even for beginners. This product has a unique feature that allows for precise control over the foam density, which is very useful for various applications. Number 2. SAS Safety 6938 Moon Suit Coverall. Introducing the SAS Safety 6938 Moon Suit Coverall, designed for ultimate protection on the job. This reusable coverall is your reliable partner for demanding work environments. Experience lightweight yet durable protection with its ripstop nylon front. It features a full hood, adjustable closures, and a convenient zipper front for ease of use. Stay comfortable all day thanks to its breathable design and cool cotton back. It's washable and reusable, offering both comfort and practicality. Designed for your convenience, it includes pockets on the chest and back. These features ensure you have everything you need readily accessible while working. This protective gear is suitable for a wide range of applications. From manufacturing and food processing to construction and painting, it's built for diverse industrial needs. At SAS Safety Corporation, we are committed to protecting people. Trust our expansive line of products to provide the safety and security you need for any task. What we like. This reusable coverall offers lightweight yet durable protection for various job sites and applications. Its breathable cotton back ensures comfort during extended wear, and it's designed for easy washing and reuse. If you need reliable personal protective equipment that balances protection with comfort for tasks in manufacturing, construction, or painting, this coverall is a practical solution. What people say. The Froth Pak 650 dispenses a high-density foam that is excellent for insulation and sound dampening. The system is self-contained and portable, making it easy to use in various locations without needing external power or air sources. It provides a quick and efficient way to fill cavities and seal gaps, resulting in a professional finish. Number 1. Touch N Seal 200BF Low GWP Spray Foam Insulation Kit. This spray foam insulation kit provides excellent air sealing to significantly reduce your energy consumption. Its closed cell structure ensures a high R value for maximum thermal performance. Designed for durability, this insulation won't shrink or settle over time. You can rely on its consistent performance and integrity for years to come. With a Class A fire rating, it offers enhanced safety for your home. It also significantly boosts structural strength, making your building more robust. Enjoy a quieter environment as this insulation effectively reduces sound transmission. It's compatible with all existing fiber insulation systems. This product features a low global warming potential, making it an environmentally friendly choice. It's ready to the touch in under a minute and fully cured in about an hour. Achieve an impressive R value of 6.6 per inch. This high thermal resistance ensures your space stays comfortable in all seasons. What we like. This insulation kit offers excellent thermal performance with a high R value and contributes to structural integrity while also being environmentally conscious with a low global warming potential. It effectively air seals and reduces sound transmission. If you are looking for an energy-efficient, structurally reinforcing, and eco-friendly insulation solution for your building projects, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The directions are very clear, and it was surprisingly easy to use. There are 2 different kinds of spray heads and they suggest using one to spray around the edges, and then the other to fill in. Warm the materials before you use them in the sun or inside your home. Mildly agitate the B component, resin, canister around a bit before you spray with it by rolling it around before hooking the hoses up. Make sure the substrate you are spraying to is warm as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.